Ako na Joseph, mga magaling eh. Kailangan natin ng bote. Kaya na pag-usapan, lahat ng gagawin yung simbal, gagawin mo. Another officer, all you have to do, lay down and roll. Hey, the floor is ready for all yours. Sige, mamili ka. Dive in the water o lay down roll.
Basa!
Good boy. And roll. Don't worry, folks. He's all right. Now tell me, do you want more?
Yeah!
I said, do you want more?
Yeah!
This is one for your third and final round. This is the last round for whatever.
Alam ko matapang.
Okay, now we have to do live and stop. So, ganito na yan activity. All you have to do is judge the distance on each of that step. Don't forget to stop or else you will be moving. Kaya yan, sir. Oh, I think, Mark, need a little bit of encouragement. Come on, everybody. Wala pa natin si Mark.
Go, Mark!
Ano ba, Mark?
Go, Mark!
Okay, guys. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, go! And jump to the water. Hindi ako, basta. Okay, for every competition, there's a winner. Okay, guys, who do you think is the winner? Simba? No? How about Mark? Congratulations, you are now a member of the Sea Lion Labor Ball. Oh, you deserve a reward. You win, man? You deserve a gift. Can I give you back, sir? Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Okay, guys, we are the proud, the brave, and of course, the beautiful. Suppose having another round of applause for Mark and Simba. Mark, you're going to have to award you have a t-shirt, shorts, and shoes from the gift shop.
Yay!
Alright, thank you. Officer Joseph, thank you so much.